It's just nice.
I'm impressed. I actually didn't use mine's up on the shelf over here because I didn't want to fucking fuck it all up, because every tray looks like this after a while until you take some fucking alcohol.
And you can take some alcohol and just write it down with some alcohol, and it's like brand new. Brand new. We got 10 minutes. I'll wait to fire that up.
Talk me into that. I'll slow down on that. I was just gonna jump in and go ahead.
You're right, Eagle. That's that BlackRock owns fucking everything. They're into fucking everything, dude. They don't own the whole company per se, but they have so much power in those companies that they control so much.
Yeah, the government.
No BlackRock, but the BlackRock probably controlling the government. In a sense, they are. If they control what the information's being coming out, they're controlling what everybody thinks, because it's all you know. You know, people think this election was stolen because somebody's telling them. Nobody has any factual information of it. Somebody's telling them that. So they just all of a sudden, let's believe this is the truth. You know, how are you supposed to fight it?
I don't
When you go to court, it's just reasonable doubt, yeah, the same as in court. All they have to do is go, but do you think that? And then you just have to go, really? And then they've done their job. All they're asking you to do is be like, maybe not then. Reasonable doubt. Okay, we've got him.
I'm going to tell you something, man. Look, every bit of information they put out there, everything has been so fucked. Everything's been twisted. There's been straight up lies told as truths. There's been truths that were put down as lies. And now we're at the point to where nobody knows what to believe. It's the way they want it. There's confusion now. They put out a bit of information anywhere. You have to go fact check it. You got to talk to a friend. You got to look up on some sort of news source that you might trust. There's a lot of legwork you got to do. You know, I'm at the point in now for years that I don't watch TV. I don't know what the fuck. I just hear it from my comrades, and then we write songs about it and shit. Like, let's go Brandon.
Whatever happened, like, when did that change? It used to be like the National Enquirer and like some of these, like, you know, known to be embellished stories, right? Like, they were known to have these real embellished stories or whatever. But there was like the solid news where there was like standards that they had to meet.
You're gonna be amazed to see what's in there under celebrity news. But yeah, their news that they have is nothing like it was. It's actually pretty fucking boring. It's more like the mainstream used to be. But look at their website, dude. I looked up celebrities and people. If you're not gonna do it, it's basically they have 20 or 30 articles, and out of those 20 or 30, 28 to 29 of them are all about cannabis. From NATO having some say-so about it, down to, you know, some guy opening a company. But it's all cannabis news. And I was like, what the fuck is this? And why would it be listed under celebrity news? Yeah, it's kind of blowing my mind. It's almost like maybe the Enquirer wasn't shit back then. Maybe those Martians shaking hand with, like, President Ford was really true.
Well, you know, that's how the Men in Black used to get their real information.
Right.
What, from President Ford?
No, from the Enquirer.
From the Inquiry.
About the same amount of
But yeah, President Ford's just the same. I think he's an alien.
He was. Is he still alive?
Possibly.
I don't think so.
I think he's gone, right? Carter's still around?
Carter's still, but really,
He's the oldest one left, right?
I
Which is pretty amazing because they all start pretty old. There's no age limit, is there?
Well, maybe they're age.
Is there a lower age limit? No.
To run for president, you
35.
35. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, but you could be any age that you want after that. I mean, you could be 125 and still be the president.
Well, isn't
They
it
mostly start about 60, don't they? That's just what you want, isn't it? Some fucking 60-year-old geezer being the one telling you what's up, you know? They're old, aren't they? You know what I mean? This man's got his finger on the pulse at 60.
The guy we got now is about 80 years old.
Yeah. Well,
It's crazy.
I'd rather listen to what you heard than to do this shit to South America.
I think you need to have somebody that's, has worldly experiences, but, at some point they get too old. I mean, I can't. That's just, I'm sorry, that's just way too old. There shouldn't be a limit on that old.
Yeah, when you get to the point where you get uncontrollable flatulence, that's a little bit out of control.
I mean, they can.
Enough. It's not about money, it's about control, and it's like, why are you bothered to do that? Why is that your program? Oh, let me be in charge of the company that fucks with the whole rest of the world. Okay, cool. What? Who's your mate? Who are you chatting to? Who's your wife? She ain't fucking you because she loves you. It's weird. It's like,
Yeah.
why do you want that position?
Exactly.
Well, it really is all about money. I mean, they want the power in order to get the money.
Well, the money brings you the power.
It's because this comes together. But they really want the money. They want to be able to own everything. And then soon we'll all be ready to go. You don't own a home anymore. You just rent from these big companies. And they have total control over us.
I don't think it's the money, honestly, because at the end of the day, they're the ones who created the money, and they have pretty much all the wealth anyways. They don't. Without us, money's no good, right? They need us. So, to me, the ultimate goal would be having control over everybody. I want personal control over every one of you, and you guys go to work for me, and you just keep generating this money to keep you happy. The money's to keep you, keep us happy, not them. They don't need it. They don't work on money anyways. When they show up at a resort somewhere, they're friendly. They don't. You know what I'm saying? Everything's
They don't need it, but that's how they control us. Unfortunately, that's the control over the rest.
The money is to use to control
money
us.
to stay in the system,
Yeah.
They want to keep us poor.
Yes, that's a form of control.
If you're poor, then they're rich.
Right.
They don't want you to be anywhere on their level.
Right.
They want you to all be like fucking slave level.
Bloods. And even though these people have the same amount, if not more money than these blue bloods, but yet they're still not accepted. There was a lady on there, I think from Texas, in the movie, she's yapping, good old gal type of chick, beer slinger, but now she's loaded. She's dressed in probably Gucci of the day, but yet all those other fuckers that are just like, yeah, no.
New money.
You're not one of them, and they find a way to pick you out and get rid of you. You're not. They have a bloodline, man, and we ain't part of it.
And if you are, they're not going to tell you.